Hello, my name is Tanya Rogers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about the basics of budgeting. Before we officially begin, I wanted to say that this budget form that I created will help you manage your basic monthly necessities and will just help you be a little bit more organized. It contains 8 sections, which is charity, saving, housing, utilities, food, clothing, transportation, and personal. I will leave a link down below so you guys can have your own copy, and let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so the first section we are going to do is charity. Now I included all kinds, such as church donations or children's charities or just any other ones that you donate to, so you can just fill that in and total it up. I'm filling in this example right now. Okay, the second we're going to do is saving. The savings account. This is how much you deposit every month in case of an emergency in your savings account. I'm filling in right now. You do the same. Okay, the third section is going to be housing. Your fort's mortgage or monthly rent. Do you have a property that you have and you pay a mortgage, or do you have an apartment that you rent monthly? So just put in, fill in all of those. Real estate taxes. How much do you save each month for real estate taxes? And then just put that number in. How much do you save monthly for repairs and maintenance? And if you have homeowners or renters insurance, how much do you pay each month for that? And then total all the numbers at the bottom. This next section is utilities. These are self-explanatory. Electricity, gas, water, trash, phone, internet, cable. You just put down all of those numbers, fill them in, and total them at the bottom. This next section is food. How much do you spend on groceries in a month? Next is clothing. How much do you save each month for personal or work clothing in case you need to buy some? Just fill those in. Next is transportation. If you have bought a car and you need to do payments on it, you can fill in those numbers in. Same goes for gas and oil. How much do you spend in 1 month for gas on your car? How much do you save each month for repairs and tires? How much do you pay for auto insurance? And total all of that in. Next is personal. Do you pay for life, health, or disability insurance? Just fill those in. If you have a child, how much do you pay for childcare? Fill that in. How much do you pay for entertainment? And if there's any other things that are personal that you pay for every month or you save for every month, just fill those in and total it all at the bottom. Now this is basic. This is your basic necessities that you need every month or that you pay for every month. Now I want you to add from every total and total it all together for this, the overall total. And that completes the budget form. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.